Yes, ready for dictation. Start. These two second appeals have been preferred under Section 224 of the Rajasthan Tenancy Act 1955, herein after to be referred as the Act against the judgments and decrees dated 17 February 2001 passed by the Revenue Appellate Authority Chittorgarh in appeal number 127 respectively, whereby the learned revenue appellate authority has rejected the appeals and maintained the judgment and decree passed by the subdivisional officer Chittorgarh on 26 July 2000 in case number 126 respectively, by which the learned subdivisional officer had given khatedari rights over the land in dispute to present respondent number 1 stop. Both the appeals contains similar facts and law points, therefore are being disposed of by this common judgment stop passage. The brief fact of the appeal number 347 is that plaintiff respondents presented two suits for declaration of khatedari rights and permanent injunction against defendant appellant on the land bearing khasra number 400 stop. In these circumstances, the application under Order 1, Rule 10, Code of Civil Procedure filed by Ramlal, the president of the trust, be allowed and the applicant be impleaded as party in appeal number 347 stop. We have given our earnest consideration to the rival contentions advanced by learned counsels for the parties and scanned the available record carefully stop. We have also carefully perused the legal pronouncements referred by both the counsels at the time of arguments stop. Before going into the merits of the appeals, firstly, we would like to decide the application under Order 1, Rule 10 of the Code of Civil Procedure filed by Ramlal stop. Though the Assistant Commissioner had accepted the application of Ramlal and others for registration of the trust, but the argument of the learned counsel for the respondents seems justifiable that the Commissioner has quashed and set aside the registration of the trust in appeal and remanded the matter to decide it afresh to the Assistant Commissioner. Therefore, at present, the matter of registration of trust is still pending before the competent authority stop. Plaintiffs have not mentioned in both the plaints about the revenue record of Samvat 2005 stop. Both the lower courts considered the record of Samvat 2025 and did not care to consider the record of Samvat 2005 stop. He further argued that the authorities on behalf of the state government could not produce any evidence on behalf of the defendant idols, nor they objected in pleading as plaintiff stop.